Hey Ethereum! Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media. Top 4 Best Cat Truck Excavator Diagnostic Tool Review. Number 4. The 2023 AET44780-235 adapter is a high-performance diagnostic communication tool tailored for Caterpillar, CAT, trucks and excavators. Designed for seamless integration with CAT software, it facilitates real-time data analysis, fault detection, and system updates. Compatible with the 5385051 model, it ensures precise diagnostics and reliable maintenance for professional applications. Number 3. The ET4 Adapter 4780235 is a diagnostic communication tool designed specifically for Caterpillar, CAT, trucks and excavators. It supports efficient troubleshooting and maintenance by connecting to CAT diagnostic software, enabling real-time data analysis and fault code retrieval. The tool, compatible with the 5385051 model, ensures accurate diagnostics for professional use. Number 2. Description: we test every one before shipping. Ethernet cable function. It performs faster and more stable in running speed compared to standard 914-pin diagnostic cables. Greatly reduces the waiting time for running and programming. It is very helpful for professional maintenance personnel. Number 1. The Fifine Ampligain KS5 All-in-One Podcast Kit combines a dynamic microphone with an RGB audio mixer, offering vibrant aesthetics and superior audio for streaming, gaming, and recording. Designed for PC use, it delivers professional-grade sound, easy controls, and a complete studio setup ideal for podcasters, gamers, and content creators. If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.